Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to convert PNG image file to WebP file. Okay, let's go to Google and search for PNG to WebP. The WebP file are very is really suggested by the Google to upload in your website. If you are using any, if you are updating your website with any of the images, please don't upload straightly with the PNG images. If you are uploading your PNG images, your website speed will be get affected. That's why please use WebP file. Okay, let's go to Google and search. Go to the first result. You can find this website. This is absolutely free, and also up to 7 images. You no need any sign up, login, anything. Okay, just do the step by step, and first you do the 6 to 7 images and delete this and do again. It will be easy. Okay, I just select one image from. I just select the 4 images. Okay, it's very simple. I have selected and just I have click convert. Now your file was got ready. Your WebP file was got ready. I just click download. It got download. You can find it in your download folder. Okay. Thank you guys. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.